Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to install the rotor in the 642E centrifuge. Keep in mind that your centrifuge arrives ready to spin. You won't need to install the rotor unless you previously removed it. How to install the 642E rotor. To install your rotor, start by making sure that your 642E is still disconnected from power. It should be completely unplugged. Next, make sure that you have the rotor, the nut, and your nut driver on hand. Start by placing the rotor gently back onto its spindle. Next, settle the nut on top of the rotor. You can start by hand tightening it, and then once it's secure, use the nut driver, turning it clockwise until it is resting securely against the rotor. Do not over-tighten. Once your rotor is back in place, you can put the tube holders back in. Make sure that you do put all 6 tube holders back in, even if you don't usually spin 6 tubes. Finally, go ahead and close your lid, and then make sure to plug the 642E back into the wall. That's all there is to it. If you have any more questions about how to install the rotor on your 642E, you can contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.